Hello and welcome to Flipkart. I'm Vishwa and today I will review the LG MC284 6BG microwave oven. This is a convection type oven with plenty of advanced features. It lets you cook with utmost ease. Moreover, this LG microwave is entirely manufactured in India and specially designed to take care of our specific needs. To understand more about this product, let's dive straight into its features. This LG microwave oven comes with 251 preloaded recipes. Simply gather the ingredients and press a button to prepare complicated delicacies. You can even choose from a variety of cuisines. Friends, do you crave for homemade ghee? Well, not anymore. This oven can prepare fresh and hygienic ghee in just 12 minutes without leaving any kind of smell. With no burning and no churning, this is by far the easiest way to enjoy healthy and homemade ghee without wastage of any time, effort and resources. This LG microwave oven also has the user-friendly quartz heater. Now, as compared to a conventional sheath grill heater, the quartz grill heater takes less preheating time and your food turns out to be crisper on the outside and juicier on the inside. The quartz heater also takes up less space, making more room for cooking. Also friends, the sheath heater suspends out of its cavity because of its size and form, whereas the quartz heater perfectly fits in the cavity, preventing your hands from any accidental burn. So guys, this practical and powerful innovation lets you enjoy indoor grilling with utmost ease. This oven also has a stainless steel cavity. The stainless steel enables better reflection of the heating waves for uniform cooking. Also, it saves up to 21% electricity, 16% time and is totally rust proof. The wear and tear of this oven does not peel off the cavity like other normal coated cavities, which usually tend to come off with time because of continuous movement of the turntable. So friends, I think LG MC284 6BG will become an ideal help for your family on an everyday basis in no time. And buying this on Flipkart is a deal that you cannot afford to miss, because on Flipkart you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo and assured brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family. That's all from me and have a perfect buy.